All right, so when we have continuous lines, we can use direct substitution. And so in order to understand this better, uh, you have to visualize what this graph. So this is saying the limit of this function as x approaches c equals b. So this is the definition of a function. So the function in this case would be y equals b. In this case would be y equals x. In this case would y equals x to the n. When you express a limit, you don't say y equals b. You just say the definition of the function. So y equals b, that means y is constant. It's just some value. That means if we have and your number and you have y equals b, then you would just draw a line like this. Y is always equal to b. So what is the limit as x approaches c? As x approaches c, actually from both sides, you will reach this point right here, which is b. So that's why you have this. So the limit of function y equals b, it's b, as x approaches any value. This one, y is just copying c. So if y is just copying c, then c just plug it in. It's c. Same thing. So this means, let's say you have your x and y axis, and if y is going to be equal to c, that means when x equals 0, y equals 0. When x equals 1, y is also equal to 1. It's just copying. And same thing, 2, 2. So we get these points right here. And it's actually a line like this. So the limit when x approaches c, some value, then y is going to be actually the same value. In this case, if it's 2, then it's going to be the same value. In the next one, like I say, it pays to know what your functions look like, to better understand and visualize the problem. Y equals x squared, for example, that's a parabola. So, and same thing here. Notice that we're just plugging in c. This is c. And this one we didn't plug it in because y doesn't change, so it doesn't depend on x. But these two, you got to just plug it in. It's called direct substitution. Plug it in, plug it in. If we had like y equals x cubed, then our function would look something like this. And yeah, just plug it in, direct substitution. And let's do 3 actual examples. Let's say I want to know the limit of the function y equals 3 as x approaches 2. In this case, it's going to be 3 because the function says y equals 3. So if y is always going to be equal to 3, I don't care, how much you move x, you're going to hit the same line, 3. Next one, what is the limit of function x as x approaches -4? In this case, remember, y depends on x, so y is copying x. So whatever this c value, when x equals c, or approaches c, then you're going to approach same value, -4. And then let's do the last one. The last one says, what is the limit when of the function x squared as x approaches 2. Same thing, direct substitution. That's going to be 2 squared equals 4. And thank you for watching.